or a geometric sequence program for the TI-84 Geometro. The geometric sequence is when you multiply by the same number to get from one term to the next. So the example of a geometric sequence would be 2, 6, 18, 54, right, where you keep multiplying by 3. So let's do it. Okay, so program new, and we're going to call this GEOSEQ for sequence. And then, oops, before I do the alpha lock, I need to display. Okay, 3. Display quotation marks. What goes between the quotes is what is displayed on the screen. So we want to say to find a term in a geo sequence. Program display. We want to enter the first term, and we're going to call the first term A. So we're going to prompt then for the first term. Now we need to ask for the ratio. The ratio is what you multiply to get from one term to the next. So display, oops, I need the quotation marks. Wrong thing. So if this ever happens, I can quit out of it, program, and come over to edit, and we were just working on GeoSequence. So it'll leave off right where I was at. So now we want to do the quotation marks. Okay. Alpha lock. Enter the ratio. And we're going to prompt for R. And the last thing we need in order to do the program is what term do you want? And now we're going to ask prompt for, we're going to call that N for the term number. And now it's time to actually do the equation. So the equation for a geometric sequence is we take the first term, A, times R, the ratio, to the N minus 1. So we're going to store that to X, and then we're going to display the term is, and display what the term is. All right, so now it's time to test our program. Go to program, geometric sequence. The first term we said was 2, and the ratio we multiplied by 3. And let's actually find the third term. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 should be our answer, and it is. We are all good to go. Congratulations on writing a program for the TI-84. Please check out our other videos for additional programs.